You like the elephant? Are you not going to try to push yourself up? Maybe Mommy should move that pillow. Let's see what happens when we do. Oh, up, 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 up. Now you gotta try to get this stuff without the pillow under you to hold you up. Maybe that's why people don't normally put these on the bed, because you're all smushied in there. You're all laying down in a hole, huh? Where'd Rosie go? Rosie. Rosie. Up, lift that head up, lift that head up.